Well, today's an exciting day here at Downeast on the farm and the shoestring shipyard. And, well, the reason for that is because I just received our new box blade that we ordered from Homestead Implements. They're in upstate New York. So this is an American-made box blade, heavy duty, very rugged, well designed. I'm very happy to have it, and we really need it because our driveway and dooryard's in pretty rough shape, and it's going to take a lot of work to get it straightened out. Well, here it is. So it arrived just this morning, and the big truck couldn't get up this way to the farm. I had to go down the road about a quarter of a mile where he backed in off the main road, and I was able to take it off the back of the truck with the forklift tines I had clamped onto the tractor bucket, and then ran her back up here. So I'm now about to unwrap it and get a better look at it. Well, before I roll this video, folks, I just want you to know that this particular video is not sponsored in any way. I paid the full price on this implement that I just purchased, with the exception of a veterans discount that the company offers. They offer 10% off on all of their implements to all U.S. military veterans, and that's a real big help. But there was no other consideration made for making this video. There was no money that was offered for making the video, no further discounts, nothing. I'm just going to give you an honest opinion of what I've discovered. And, well, spoiler alert, I'm very, very happy. Hope you enjoy the video. Get this unwrapped and get a look at it. Oh, nice. Now, when you order a new implement for your tractor from Homestead Implements, they build these implements to order, and you have a choice. You can select the color you want it in, and this is a blue powder coat to match my New Holland tractor. Made here right in the United States. Wow. I mean, the quality is just unparalleled from what you see when you look at the imported stuff. These welds are outstanding. Beautiful welds. Nice deep penetration, and, well, it's a work of art. Everything is heavy duty on this. All the metal, very thick, heavy steel. There's nothing chintzy about it. A lot of excellent features. Everything about this box blade shouts quality. I'm so happy that I ordered from these folks. One of the best things is that the owner, along with a lot of his employees, people who work for him, are all U.S. military veterans, as I am myself. I'm a U.S. Marine Corps veteran, and I'm happy to be able to support fellow veterans. I try to do that whenever I can, and they do a heck of a job. Wow, I can't wait to get this on the tractor and start using it. I mean, this is just beautiful. And it has replaceable wear blades. They can be reversed, and you could replace them if you need them. It's a curved blade on the inside, the same on the back side. Scarifier shanks, fully adjustable. Real easy to put up and down the way they're made. This is going to be a tool for Downeast on the farm that's going to last, well, pretty much last longer than I'm alive, that's for sure. This is going to be around a long time. I think it pays to buy a good quality product. And you know me, if you've been watching my videos, I do a lot to try to save whenever I can. And I think that spending a little bit more money on a good quality product is prudent judgment. Because if I bought a real cheap import, I'm going to be spending too much time repairing it all the time. And it's not going to do the job I want it to. So a few extra dollars I think is well worth it. To you folks at Homestead Implements out there in New York, very well done. I'm impressed. I'm overjoyed. I can't tell you how happy I am with this this box blade. My fellow vets, hoorah! I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my new box blade. I'm just tickled. I'm over the moon with it. It's incredible. The quality is just outstanding, so much more than I expected. And I expected quite a bit, to be honest with you. It just exceeds my expectations. So, again, thanks to the folks out there at Homestead Implements. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff, because it's necessary in order to keep these videos coming, to keep the channel alive. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching.